Are your angles a little off? Stick around. So let's say your angles are a little off. Here's what you can do. Your table saw blade needs to be straight up and down and at a 90-degree angle, and I'll tell you how you can do that. Here in the woodworking garage, we use the AccuMASTer. It's this handy dandy little thrifty thing that comes in a pretty little red package. You just got to turn it on, and what you do is on the bottom there's a magnet, and you stick it right next to the saw blade, right here. So here's what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to turn on the power and connect the magnet to the saw blade. And as you can see, it shows 0, which tells us that it's at 90 degrees. If you're interested in this little gadget, there's going to be affiliate links in the description below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. I'm Amanda, and thanks for watching. Are your angles a little off? Stick around.
That was like almost perfect. To ensure you get accurate cuts, you need to make sure, I would use your hands, make sure your table saw blade is straight up and down 90 degrees to the tabletop. Do something like that.
To ensure you got accurate
And to ensure you get accurate cuts, try that.
Should I say anything like, hi, welcome to the woodworking garage, and today we're gonna... Wait, let me think about this for... Okay, to ensure you get accurate cuts, you want to make sure that your table saw is straight up and down.
Table saw blade.
Table saw blade is up and down.
Straight up and down.
Straight up and down at 90 degrees.
Then we'll say, here in the woodworking garage, we use the AccuMASTer. That's where we'll bring that part in.
Oh boy. Okay, let's see if I can even remember all that.
No, we'll just do it 1 or 2 lines.
I'm being weird about it. Okay. Hi, so to ensure that you get accurate cuts, you need to make sure that your blade saw is straight up and down and at 90 degrees. Oh no! What's under?
You're fine. That was good. It's a little too much like... So
I'm a little too animated.
Yeah,
huh?
just calm down. I catch myself doing it all the time. When I get hyped up, and then I'm like, idiot, you gotta slow down a little bit. Take a breath. Try it again. But you were spot on with what you were saying. You did say one thing backwards, and that was blade saw, I think is what you said. Saw blade.
The saw. How do I like jump right into
Oh, the first thing you say?
Yeah, like...
Okay, so let's just...
Hey, good looking, what's woodworking?
If you dare, but you might get some inappropriate comments. So we just had the scene. Are your... What did we say? Are you... What did we say?
Are your angles off?
Are your angles off? And then the intro music.
So my angles are definitely not off, and I'll tell you why.
Oh, I don't want to get this too trashy over here. Okay?
I'm not trying to be trashy about it.
No,
I'm
just saying angles and curves. No, we don't
I realized what I said, and then I was like, oh, okay, that's not. And then I was like, oh, okay, that's not. Okay.
So, close. You close. So where the table saw blade is straight up and down at 90 degrees.
It's straight up and down and 90 degrees. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Close.
Oh no.
Saw blade.
Saw blade.
Not your table saw. The saw blade has to be 90 degrees.
Ha. Okay. So let's say your angles are a little off. Here's what you can do. You want to make sure that your table saw...
Make sure your table saw blade.
Our table saw blade. It's saw blade, table saw blade, table saw blade. We're gonna table saw blade.
Do we need to clap our hands and
table saw blade? No. Table saw blade, table saw blade, table saw blade. That's what we're cutting with. Okay. Is that okay?
It was great. It was perfect. It was perfect. Okay. And I'll use that.
I got a handy dandy trick in my back pocket. This is called the AccuMASTer. Oh no.
Oh, it's a lot now. We'll just
Oh boy.
That's the nonsense we go through.
So here at the woodworking garage, we've realized that our table saw is not straight. So if you're interested in this little gizmo, there's going to be affiliate links. Oh no. Okay. If you like this little gadget, there's going to be affiliate links on the bottom of this.
In the description below.
In the description below. I saw the visual of the. Okay.
No.
I don't know.
Don't move too much.